Should we consider the term global change? Global change implies the increasing atmospheric CO2 concentration, which has direct effects on plant growth, in addition to climate effects. The global warming term captures the increasing temperature. Climate change, besides warming, captures changes in precipitation patterns, including changes in storm frequency and intensity. Regardless of terms, it's important to study our climate and its impact on the globe. Arizona is a great place to do agricultural research and climate change because we experience a huge range in temperatures over which plants grow, from a few freezes in the winter to summertime temperatures that exceed what is projected for most of the Earth with global warming. Further, with our irrigation systems and little rain, we have control over the water supply most of the time, setting ideal conditions for controlled studies. NASA pointed out in 2014 that American agriculture during its peak growing season produces more oxygen than the Amazon rainforest. Agricultural crops take the CO2 out of the air and replace it with the O2 we need to breathe. Further, to the extent the crops can sequester the C from the CO2 in the soil or in the trunks of the tree crops, agriculture can mitigate climate change. Looking from the perspective of farming and ranching, the increasing CO2 will be generally beneficial for agricultural productivity. Warming will be generally beneficial in present-day cool climates, but in warm climates where plants are now often growing at the upper ends of their optimum range, further warming could depress yields. If water supplies are reduced so that the land can no longer be irrigated as it reverts to the desert, soil organic matter concentrations will decrease, and CO2 will be released into the atmosphere. Technology innovations must continue to find ways to create benefits for all regions of the world and improve productivity to feed a growing population.